All right, everybody. So today we're going to discuss credit repair and your personal information, and also some things to look out for when choosing a credit repair company. Just because I've said this a million times and I'll say it a million times more, there's more scammers in this industry that I'm in than any other industry in the world. I'm telling you. When COVID hit, everybody found out it was an easy way to make a quick buck and get rich quick doing these credit sweeps. But you got to be careful, because most of these credit repair companies are sending your personal information to different countries. Those people don't care about your personal information. Those people are trying to make a living so they can feed their family. So make sure that your credit repair company that is working on your report is doing everything in the United States. Trust me, you want to make sure of this, because they're only paying those people $4, $5, $6 an hour, charging you hundreds of dollars a month. Now, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with charging you that much per month, but you can literally go to, I think it's upwork.com, and hire these same people yourselves. If you don't care about your personal information, I say go for it. As bad as that may sound, if you're not worried about somebody getting your personal information, go to upwork.com, hire somebody to fix your credit for $4, $5 to $6 an hour. It's literally only going to cost you that much, plus whatever it costs to mail in your state, because the fees are different for certified. You got to be careful. I'm telling you, these people are just trying to get rich quick. A lot of those people on Upwork, they do the credit sweeps as well. They do know how to do regular credit repair. I have people reach out to me, don't know how to get my number, Facebook and Instagram apparently, asking me, hey, would you like to work with our company? We only require you to pay us $5 or $6 an hour. And I just don't trust that. Yeah, I could make a ton of money doing it, but as I've said before, it's not always about the money, but it is always about the consumer and my client. That's what we are about at Everything Credit LLC, is getting the best results that we can. But another thing you got to look out for is, just because somebody's not big on Google or Yelp or Trustpilot or something like that, the BBB even, doesn't mean they're not trustworthy. Trust me, because these scammers are all over the Better Business Bureau, Trustpilot. They're on there, trust me. And they create fake reviews to make themselves look good, and they claim all the bad reviews are fake reviews. And it's not just one company that does this. There's more than one. It's not just Pinnacle. You know what I mean. They basically go on there and say, we have no record of ever doing business with you, yada, yada, yada. Basically, I scammed you. I don't care. You're not getting a refund. And end of the day, that's it. So, but anyway, also they will use things like, especially the ones that are on YouTube, they will use videos of other people that went viral and post it to their channel to try to get reviews. And that does work as far as getting views, but people aren't going to subscribe to your channel because you're showing pictures of little kids. It's just not going to happen. But yeah, then they'll also show on their community page fake emails where they've literally emailed. If you look at the screenshots good enough, you can see they're emailing themselves, trying to convince you that people are paying them and sending them money for credit repair. You'll never see me or any legit credit repair company post that somebody paid them money or the amount of money that they paid them on social media. The only thing that anybody in this industry should be posting on social media is the results or the education. That's it, nothing else. So yeah, just be careful when you hire these people. They're sending your personal information off. They're posting stuff that they want you to believe is real when it's not. And it can be tricky, but that's what they're doing. They're scammers. That's what scammers do. Anyways, if y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.